Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Luxury Microfiber. Wanted to do a quick update. It's been several days. I've driven through the rain and I put about 400 miles on my car since I put the DUPLI color tire paint on my tire. This is a tire that is untreated, right? It's just a clean tire, untreated. Get a load of this. I've driven through 2 rainstorms. I've driven about 400 miles. Let me look at this tire here. There's the DUPLI color tire paint on the tire. Looks really sweet, looks good. I'm not seeing any evidence of it peeling, cracking. Yeah, it's only been a couple of days and probably, I don't know, I think I put like 300 miles on this car since I've applied it. And I've driven through some rain as well. I had to drive down towards Houston and then come back towards Dallas. But man, that tire's looking pretty sweet. I think it's holding up rather well. I know some people wanted to see an update on it. Tire's got a nice satin black look to it. Doesn't sling onto the paint. Looks pretty cool versus an untreated tire. I also wanted to update you guys on something. I was telling everybody the Facebook group that I have was DPC group. Actually, what I did is I changed it. It is now Dallas Paint Correction Group. For some reason, when you typed in DPC on Facebook, it kept thinking that you were trying to type DOC with an O. So now if you just do Dallas Paint Correction Group on a Facebook search, you'll find the group instantly. And you can just go ahead and join if you like. I appreciate it, guys. Just wanted to give you an update on the tire shine. Again, the Facebook group is called Dallas Paint Correction Group. You got to put group after Dallas Paint Correction, and you should find it just fine. Thanks so much, guys. Love you.